wanted to give a clear overview of how investigation process takes place. I'll run it very fast. Typically, the complaint comes through internal hotline or someone reports to the authorities. If there is an internal complaint, there is a self-reporting. Then investigation takes place. If it is an internal complaint, then company can do initial review and go back to regulator and request regulator that allow us to do internal investigation. If that is permitted, then typically a US law firm and US trained qualified lawyers will get involved. They'll collaborate with Indian law firms, internal law, lawyers or compliance professionals. At times, they can also collaborate with big four audit firms, and then investigation will happen. Typically, it is done by US qualified lawyers because they want to protect attorney-client privilege. Because ultimately, then they can decide what material they would like to produce. They can produce, etc. Findings of the investigation is then reported. It involves in a lot of different steps, which has forensic imaging of the laptops, email search, keyword searches, review of accounting statements, interviews of associates. Sometimes there are spot visits, customer visits, and they apply various creative techniques to unearth the risk of bribery and transactions. And then based on that, then company could negotiate. If they have a solid compliance program, company could negotiate the fine. In all cases, DOJ and SEC end up making public statements about a company, as I showed in the earlier examples. But if companies who have a good compliance program, they get a due credit in negotiation of fines and other punitive actions. If their serious intent and their investment in compliance program resources can be seen by them.
Welcome to Complinity Technologies. Complinity is India's leading governance, risk and compliance software helping companies to manage their compliance, contracts, litigation, legal updates, inter-financial controls and more. Complinity is a one-stop shop for all GRC needs. With our proprietary 12 GRC modules and real-time legal updates on 2,000+ laws and 24,000+ compliances. All in an integrated platform that is easy to use with automated alerts and risk management capabilities. Is why compliance managers, general counsels and chief financial officers choose Complinity every time. Join the most innovative and prestigious brands that use Complinity. Automating your compliance management. Request a demo at complinity.com.